come to say thank you for your goodness, your mercies, your kindness. Thank you, Jesus.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today is going to be a cooking video, and I'm going to be showing you how I make a healthy chicken stew. So for this video, I'm going to be using, of course, my cooking parts. I have here my chicken already washed and cleaned, ready to be cooked. The pepper and bell peppers, two different types of bell peppers. I have the red and the orange one. My spring onions and my red onions already chopped, clean, and ready to cook. My oil. Then for the spicy, I'm gonna use my thyme. I'm gonna be using my nutmeg, garlic, parsley leaf, my chicken stock, Maggi powder, and of course salt to taste. So let's get started.
Lord, I've come to say thank you for your goodness, your mercies, your kindness. Thank you, Jesus. From the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. And if I started to count my blessings till eternity, it would not end. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. From the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. And if I start to count my blessings till eternity, it will not end. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. Thank you, Jesus. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. That's why I say, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba, yeah, yeah, say Baba, yeah. That's why I say, say Baba, oh, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba, hey, Jehovah, you good. I've searched through all the earth, but I've found no one like you. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. For all the times I did you wrong, you never turned your back on me. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. I've searched through all the earth, but I found no one like you. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. For all the times I did you wrong, you never turned your back on me. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. Oh, say I've come to say, Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. That's why I say, say Baba, oh,
Jehovah, you do.
that's why I say,
Always say Baba,
say Baba,
say Baba. Always say Baba, Jehovah, you do.
Hey guys, so this is the final look. I hope you try it out, and if you try it out, don't forget to leave me a comment on my channel and tell me how it came out. This food can be served with cold water, juice if you like, but I prefer to eat this with a glass of cold water. So this sauce is like an all-purpose sauce. It could be used to eat various things like mashed potato, baked potato, bread, rice, and any other thing you can think of. You know, it's something you can always, use. It goes down with everything. And as you can see, it's really healthy. So please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more beautiful recipes. And don't forget to share this video. Please share. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.
Lord, I've come to say thank you for your goodness, your mercies, your kindness.